Community cleanup is a territory-wide initiative that happens every year in communities across Nunavut. In Iqaluit, people are taking time out of their day to pick up litter and beautify their community.
Community cleanup is important because it shows that we care for our community and we live here and we should take care of it.
Doing it for the good living, healthy living for the community is very important. And to attract tourism.
We should be doing this on regular basis. You know, when we have clean community, it means so much more to people who are walking around our town and things, and it's just it's a good thing to do, especially for tourists coming in, and it's nice to keep our city clean.
The driving forces behind community cleanup are the members of every Nunavut community. This year, all 25 communities in Nunavut are planning local cleanups.
In Nunavut, you won't really notice the litter for about 8 months of the year because it's hidden by the snow. But in springtime, when the snow all melts away, it's pretty evident that a community cleanup is necessary. So it's really great to have everybody in the community coming out to participate. And we'd really like to thank First Air and the Northwest Company for their donations this year, because they really helped bring people out and make the community cleanup a big success.
The Inuit Qauyamayatukhangi principle of Avatitinik Kamatsialnik is to respect and care for the land, animals, and the environment. Nunavummiut traditionally hold a deep respect for the land, but sometimes we need to be reminded that our communities are also part of the land. They must be treated with equal respect and care. Remember to put garbage where it belongs.